In this video, I'm going to share with you a new technique of RAG. RAG or Retrieval-Augmented Generation is a way to give large language models context to your own data. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. FedRAG is a new technique which builds on top of the vanilla Retrieval-Augmented Generation. If you don't know what RAG is, RAG enhances LLMs by providing access to relevant, up-to-date external knowledge stored in knowledge bases. Instead of relying solely on the model's parametric knowledge, RAG retrieves pertinent information from external sources and incorporates it into the generation process. Now, what is FedRAG? FedRAG is a federated learning framework specifically designed for fine-tuning RAG systems across decentralized datasets. I think that this is one of those tools which are best understood by playing around with them. So let's start by installing it, and I will also describe this tool in more detail as we go. I'm going to use this Ubuntu system and I have one GPU card, NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM courtesy massed compute. Let me start by creating a virtual environment with Conda. If you're also looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, you can find the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPU. So please do check them out. Okay, so let's go back here and check it out. Environment is almost done. And now let's install all the prerequisites, which include Torch and towards the end FedRAG with the Hugging Face support, because I will be getting the models from Hugging Face. This is going to take few minutes. So while that happens, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are Camel AI. Camel is an open source community focused on building multi-agent infrastructures for finding the scaling laws with applications in data generation, task automation, and world simulation. So while it installs that stuff, let's talk a bit more about this FedRAG, as sounds like a very promising project to me. FedRAG, as I said, is a federated learning framework. It combines the power of RAG with federated learning principles that allows multiple parties to collaboratively improve RAG systems without centralizing their data. In very simple words, let's suppose that you want to train or fine-tune your large language model on two separate corpuses of data. But one data is at one location, such as in Europe, the other one is in, let's say, in Asia. Now, there are some compliance rules which don't allow you to move your data out of Europe. So you might just train a piece of or some weights of models in Europe, some weights in Asia, and then federate them together to create the full-blown model. So that is what federated learning is. Now, what this FedRAG does, it improves the RAG, by decentralizing the data. There are four key components of this FedRAG. First is a generator component. This is the model which produces the final response based on retrieved context and user queries. Then we have the actual retriever, which finds and ranks relevant documents from the knowledge store based on semantic similarity. And then there are two more concepts around RALT and LSR, which I will discuss as we go along. Okay, so everything is installed now. Next step is to log into Hugging Face so that we could download the model. And for that, you would need a read token from your Hugging Face profile. That's a free token which you need to grab if you are following along, of course. Let me paste my token here. And everything is installed. Next up, let me launch my Jupyter notebook, and then we will play around with this FedRAG in that notebook browser environment. Okay, let's import all the libraries. And as you can see, we are just importing the standard stuff and then all the FedRAG modules. So everything is imported. Now what we are going to do here, we are going to show a complete end-to-end implementation of FedRAG. showcasing how to build, test, and fine-tune a retrieval-augmented generation system or RAG system using federated learning principles. As you can see, we already have installed our dependencies and have initialized it. Let's now populate the knowledge base with 13 text chunks about marine biology history or any data set of your choice. Now before that, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to set up sort of this retriever, and you can see that this is our knowledge base which I'm initializing. This is where I'm going to store my sample data. And now I am going to populate this knowledge base with some of the data. So you see, I have just grabbed some text chunks, as you can see, from marine biology. You can of course just go with your own data if you like. And then we are initializing some of the lists. We are populating that with a simple Python commands. And then our node structure is ready like this. So it is downloading that encoder model so that it will convert the text into numerical representation, and almost done. And that's all finished. So up till this point, we have also populated the knowledge base with around 13 text chunks with some of our own data, processing each chunk by combining title, section, and text into structured format, and then generating embeddings and creating knowledge nodes that get loaded onto the store. Okay, now let's configure our generator model now. For generator model, as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to use Qwen 2.5. You can use any of your own, and we are just grabbing it from Hugging Face for free. Our generator model is now initialized. Next up, let's initialize our RAG system, which is our federated RAG system. We are specifying our knowledge store, which have our data, the generator model, retriever, and this is the RAG config. Now this is where behind the scene, what this is going to do, this is going to use two techniques. One is called, for retriever, it is going to use RALT, or retrieval augmented language model training, which is a fine-tuning technique that trains a generator using retrieve context to improve response quality. And then for other one, it will use LSR or LM supervised retrieval. That is a method for fine-tuning the retriever using language model supervision to improve retrieval accuracy. And that is how it is enabling us to fine-tune our own RAG system on distributed dataset while maintaining data privacy and reducing the cost. Okay, so let's initialize this thing. So our RAG system is initialized. Let's also quickly test it out by just some of the random test queries. So first time when we run it, it is going to download the model, and then it is going to test out. There you go, see different distributed models are being tested out. So let's wait for it. And there you go, it has given us the response here. If I'll just scroll down, these are responses to all of my queries, all grounded, all nuanced from the dataset which I randomly defined above. And this has been patched with LLM's own intelligence. And that is why the response is so grounded and so holistic. And then you can also fine-tune the retriever, as I mentioned earlier. For that, you can train, set up your training data set, something random. I'm just going to go with these queries, and these are the responses. And then we are just going to check out what exactly it is doing. So this is a sample example. I have just taken it, these texts. So in real life, of course, you will be pointing it to your own documents. And then with the help of FedRAG, you can fine tune your retrieval on this dataset, which we have just defined here. So and you see that it is using that LSR, which I mentioned earlier. So our LSR is done. You can see that it was very quick. You can also do the RALT one, the other option which I mentioned. So you see this, we are using that RALT, Retrieval-Augmented LM training. So it is just taking a bit of a time. Shouldn't take too long, by the way. There you go, all done. There is no loss at all. You can do the one at one location, you can do the other one at another location, and then you can federate them, or maybe you can just keep them distributed. And now we can test this pipeline, the fine-tuned RAG system on our data. So let me run this. And when we test this, this is the grounded and nuanced response we get from the FedRAG fine-tuned RAG system. So pretty good, I would say. I think the real test will come when we test it in the real world production environment with our own documents, but seems quite promising. That's it. Let me know what do you think about this FedRAG. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, do me a favor, share the video, like the video, and spread the word about. Thank you very much.